Hello everyone, happy to see you once again in this video. In this video, we are going to see something new from Samsung. Samsung launched their smart TV, budget king TV in under 15K segment. The competitor of all China product TV. It's a very good specification TV. Samsung do the best TV in this price segment, 14,500. It's a very good TV, friends. I bought this TV before 1 month. Now the 1 month is over. I made the video after 1 month. The review after 1 month we are going to see in this video. Let's see what are the cons and pros in this TV.
Just now I pressed on power button. It's opened. TV is ready to use within 1 second. This is the Tizen UI, not an Android TV. This is the Samsung own software powered by Tizen. It's a very smooth software. We can't compare with Android. This is very smooth comparatively to Android. For any Android or smart TV, first we have to connect Wi-Fi. Let's connect Wi-Fi. I just connecting my higher mobile hotspot to my TV. This TV is priced for 14,500. For starting price, in 14,500 segment, the voice control will not be there. If you give 500 more, 15,000, the voice control will be there. Let's start it, friends. Internet was connected. First we gonna check the sound quality of the TV. It's a very good sound. They provided 20 watt speaker in this with Dolby Atmos support. 20 watt support with giving the very super quality sound. This is the interface of the TV. Any Samsung TV with any high variant, it will come in this manner only. This is the like patch wall in MI. This is the Samsung's customized interface, Tizen UI user interface. It will reduce your search and let you get more into the TV. Let's check the sound. Yeah, friends, I just played music from NCS. I hope you all enjoyed the sound of this TV. Now we're going to check the video of the TV. This is the famous video we all know, the Costa Rica video. See friends, how good display panel Samsung provided. You all know Samsung, LG, Sony, they are the top brands in the TV market, and Samsung given their TV in the entry level budget segment is a very privilege for us. And Samsung nothing compromised in anywhere. You can stream up to full HD 1080 pixels. I think you will definitely love the TV display. We have one another on our channel. We have posted one video, underwater view. Let's check that video. We can see the underwater how it is look like. This is our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, our Joel Jovin channel. The underwater view is there, right? Let's play. Yeah, very good, right? This is our channel, bro. This is our channel video. This is 4K video, and we are taking from normal camera only. We just produced in 4K, but you can see the TV upscaling algorithm works very decent. Even if you are playing a HD video, it will upscale to HD video or 4K. It is a HDR10 supporting panel. You can play up to 1080p quality full HD. See how looks great. We have one another channel, its name's Refreshing Relaxation. This is our channel, friends. Subscribe to our channel. This secondary channel, only 4K video will be there. Let's play first video of our channel. Definitely you will enjoy. Please subscribe to our secondary channel. This is our channel only for relaxation, music and peace, for deep sleep, for any stress free. See friends, 60 Hz refresh rate gives amazing performance. Very super quality display, we can say. Wow, very good producing, color producing, vivid engine they produced, Samsung. Thank you Samsung for these wonderful engines. Alexa, what's the weather today?
Currently, in Tuticorin, Tamil Nadu, it's 36 degrees Celsius.
Alexa, what is in my cart?
Looks like your basket is empty. To add items, you can say things like, add batteries to my basket or add dog food to my basket.
Alexa, stop. In this TV, one more thing is that is tune station. Tune stations in the sense something you can use the TV as a music system. This is very cool interface. You can set up to 15 themes you can change. This is my loving theme, my favorite. Due to copyright strike, I muted the sound of this song. It's very good. You can hear in all Indian languages. Even you can see in South Indian language, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, all Hindi language also. It's a very good thing. And we are going to see all art in this lockdown. We came to OTT platform. This is Netflix. Netflix is the familiar for HD content. This is Z5 for Netflix, Z5, Amazon Prime Video, and YouTube. The dedicated button in our remote having dedicated button for these platforms. Even you can use this TV as an internet browser. Yeah, I will use this internet browser for my shopping. You can use Amazon, and you may ask, can I use Flipkart? If you are a Flipkart fan, you can use the Flipkart also. Let's go and type Flipkart. Yeah, I already signed in, so it's a very super virtual experience of shopping. I hope you all enjoyed this TV up to now. And one more thing is there, and many more things is there in this TV. Let's see all the specs of the TV. And you may ask, you said Amazon. Yes, this is the Amazon Prime Video. Now in this lockdown, all the producers and directors are launching their movies in the Amazon Prime only, even English, any languages you can see. Just you have to pay 1 month 129 rupees for Amazon Prime Video. You can explore Amazon Prime Video. And the special only is use this Apple TV. You can use Apple TV in this TV. Apple is very smooth interface. Apple showing their getting it ultra smooth performance. The TV is powered by 1GB RAM and 8GB internal memory. How smooth the Apple runs on, you can see. And one more thing is, in this TV you can use the Microsoft powered apps without your brain of the computer CPU. Without CPU you can use, just you have to have an Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, you can use Teams, Excel, Outlook, any Microsoft power. Without PC you can use, and you can use even as a PC. And you could Windows 10 compatible screen sharing, and Apple compatible for Apple AirPlay 2 is given. This is all the overview of this TV. I hope you all enjoyed this video. The color variant is the dynamic, natural, and standard, and something movie. Movie is the lowest variant, and for voice the 3 and one Bluetooth, 2-way Bluetooth. You can use one the Bluetooth for remote and another one for simply you can connect your headphones. This is just a of the TV. Let's go for a back panel of the TV. These 4 screws are the for wall mounting. I already wall mounted. To review the TV, I just take off from the wall and I table mounted. This is the back connectivity board, so you can connect your whole DVD players. the side port, one HDMI, two HDMI ports and one USB port, friends. You can connect your all gaming consoles. The stabilizer is recommended for this TV, friends, because this is the main direct power card only coming with this TV, no adapter is coming. So stabilizer is recommended. This is the overview of the TV, very sleek and super design. Even one screw not in the back panel. These 4 screws are only for the wall mounting only. If you don't want wall mount, this 4 screw will not be there. The aerial port is there, LAN port for connecting the internet broadbands.
I hope you are all enjoyed this video. I think doubts about this TV all is clear now. If you are still having any doubts about this TV, please ask in comment section. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family, those who have a plan to buy a new TV in a good specs from a high brand, because Samsung, LG, Sony, they are the topper brands in the TV and in the market. So in the TV market they are high range, and the Samsung launched the budget segment. It's the entry level TV with the good specs. It's very good idea to buy this TV. I think it's a great deal. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe Joel Jovi.